go to the lower right part of your device and right-click on Date and Time. Then select Adjust Date and Time. The date and time can be set both automatically and manually. I am now setting my date and time automatically. To set it manually, turn off the Set Date and Time automatically. Click Change and input manually the current date and time.
To set up the computer's name and workgroup, first is go to search bar and search for my PC. Then, click the Properties option. Here, we can see our computer's name and workgroup. Right after that, click the Change Settings at the right side of our computer. A dialog box will appear and we can see the information we need to apply. Then, click the Change button to change the name and workgroup of computer. For computer's name, we will set it as ICT Rizal. And for workgroup, we will set it as ICT then Rizal. Then, click the OK button. A dialog box will appear, and to apply the changes, we must click the OK button and our computer will start. To install a network driver, go to search bar and type the device manager. Then, click the Open button. Right after that, go to Network Adapter option, then right-click on one of any adapters, and then click the Update driver. Then, select Search automatically for updated driver software. And we can see that the best driver for our device are already installed.
To configure the network settings, you have to locate Network and Internet Settings on the control panel, and you'll see Network Sharing Center. Right-click on it and select the Change Adapter Settings. After that, select your active connection, right-click on it, and select Properties. On the Ethernet Properties tab, select the Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Next step is to click Use the following IP address, and you'll now have to assign an IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and the preferred DNS server. Select OK to save the changes. You can check the configuration through the command prompt.
To check your network configuration, go to the command prompt of your device or your laptop and type ipconfig, then press enter. As you can see here, this is the new IP address of this laptop. When we will work with computers, the first thing to do is to prepare our workplace. Our workplace must be clean, dry, and spacious to avoid any electric shocks and any circuits within the workplace and for our safety.
Gather the equipments that you'll need, which are server computer, client computer, router, LAN cable, and printer. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your computer.
Using one end of the Ethernet cable, connect the server to the router.
To connect the client computer to the network, plug one end of the Ethernet cable to the LAN port of the client computer, and the one end of the Ethernet cable, plug it to an open LAN port in the router. In setting up the file and printer sharing, go to your computer settings, then go to Network and Internet. Then choose the option Sharing Options. Then turn on the Network Discovery and turn on the file and printer sharing. And make sure that the password protected sharing is turned off, then save changes.
This step is file and printing. First, in the client computer use, go to Word and type the words or sentence you want. In this video, we type the final project in ICT 10. After that, save it. And then go to File Explorer, then Documents, and find the file you saved. And copy it. And transfer to the server computer. The name of server computer is ICT Rizal. Then paste it on the folder, which is public folder.
Open File Explorer and click ICT Rizal CSS under Network. Click Users and click Public. Then select Public Documents. And now open the file document you made entitled Final Project in ICT Rizal. Now we successfully open the file that we made in the server.
As you can see, we are now printing the document file made in the client. Now, we successfully print the document file.